Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Teacher Fatihah. In this video, I will share with you on how to teach our children to be able to recognize items based on their measurement, for example, long and short item. So, let's go. So, how to do this activity? Firstly, we prepare a set of long and short items, for example, this ruler, sensory tube, sensory worm, as well as this bubble. Second step is we prepare a visual aids for them to identify better so they can match the item. And lastly, don't forget to include pairing the activity with reinforcer to motivate them to answer more questions. So let's do the activity. Hi everyone, so right now we're gonna do an activity to identify long and short item based on the visual aid. So right now we have long and short, long and short. So these two, we have ruler, which one is long, which one is short. So ruler, this one is longer, long ruler. This one is short ruler. Next one, we have bubble. So which one is long, which one is short? This one short, correct. This one long. Good job. Here is your reward. Lights up. Lights up. Next one, we have sensory worm. Which one is long? Which one is short? Short. This one. Long one. Good job. Can press another one. Next one, we have sensory tube. Which one is short? Which one is long? Short one, long one. Good job.